If you like football and you like crypto, well, you're gonna love this project. Today we'll be covering one of the biggest pre-sales, upcoming pre-sales out there in the crypto markets, which is fusing together football with crypto and making it one amazing combination for us to explore. If you're interested in learning more about this, well, then let's not waste any more time, jump straight into the video. So today we are going to be covering GoaL play. As you can see, train like a champion, earn the glory. Here you can see the amazing Messi header image that we have. Basically what this project is about, well, simply to tell you guys, it's literally a crypto project which is putting up football into crypto. If we open their white paper right here, we can see that we have everything listed for us to view, which is very nice. So basically this is a virtual genesis. It all started with a group of friends who grew up kicking balls. So basically this is a short backstory of the lore behind this whole project. Then we have the revolution from penalties to the metaverse. Basically we have phase 1, penalty duels, challenge another players, matches NFT cards, 11 Wizards 11. Phase 3, metaverse, GoaL play, VR. So from this you can already tell that this project is literally introducing crypto gaming into the world, and the crypto gaming will be designed about football, where you'll be able to duel your friends, match the NFT card games. Basically you'll be able to duel your friends with NFT cards, which you will also be able to acquire. You'll be able to buy NFTs as characters. Of course, this is all very cool, and we even have some examples listed right here on how it will look like. Of course, all of the cards will have their own rarity, just like in FIFA, right? So we have the rarity professional, the rarity elite, and the rarity legendary. Here we have Messi in the Cosmo suit, right? So very nice. We're also going to be having surprise boxes, boost balls, energy drinks. Basically we will have a lot of different things which we'll be able to use in this project to gain a profit from our side, right? So we're also going to be having staking, where we'll be able to stake our tokens, where we'll be able to earn double in the first 4 weeks, which is very nice. It's on BSC. So of course you can go ahead and read this white paper thoroughly yourself. I'm going to have this link down below in the description, but this is very cool, very interactive white paper, which I like very much. But going back to the main website, here you can see that here you can see the pre-sale of characters, right, and the pre-sale token GoaL. Again, it's on BSC. So basically whitelist is happening in 1 day and 22 hours. Public pre-sale is going to be happening in 7 days. Phase 1 is going to be happening in 8 days. And here you can see all of the following phases and the prices per token, and the launch will happen in 22 days. So very nice. Here we can also already view the listing price. So if we're participating from phase 1, we're going to be having a solid 20x from the start if we're buying at this price and selling at the listing price, so we can make some nice juicy profits there. So here we can see the characters too. For featured teammates, meet the rest inside. So we have Ronaldo, Messi, Mbappe, and whoever this is, right? So lastly, we have our roadmap. Here we have 4 phases. Phase 1 is founding of the team. Phase 2 is kicking off social media presence. Phase 3, recurring ad campaigns. Phase 4, GoaL play metaverse development. Here we have their partners, and again we can already connect our wallets to the website and check out their socials. So if you're interested in the project so far, make sure to go ahead and give them a follow on X, join their Telegram. Make sure you're up with the news of this project, because if you're interested in this, well, you definitely want to be, of course, following along the latest news of the project, because they might be hosting giveaways, they might be hosting airdrops, and you definitely want to be taking part in it. So again, with this being said, that's about it for GoaL play. Let me know what you think about this one down below in the comments. I personally think that this project has a very nice idea. It's merging football, it's merging crypto gaming, and it's merging crypto as a whole. It will be offering staking, it will be offering NFTs, it will be offering live gameplay, it'll be offering it all. Again, you can check out their white paper and their website down below in the description. But with this being said, that's about it for GoaL play. Again, let me know what you think about this one down below in the comments. And as always, thank you for tuning in to another one of videos, and I'll make sure to catch you in the next one.